What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, gear reviews, EDC videos, then you have definitely come to the right channel. Today, our monthly Nomadik box. So this one is the January 2023 edition. So stay tuned and we're gonna unbox this box together. Alright guys, welcome back. So today, like I said, our unboxing of our January 23 Nomadik box. So I did a subscription to Nomadik Box, and after that subscription ran out, Nomadik continued to send me boxes to unbox for you guys. Prices on Nomadik, if you're unfamiliar, range from $29 to about $33 per box according to what subscription you pick. You can do 1, 6, or 12-month subscriptions. They also have a quarterly box, which is a bigger box, but they say that the value of the contents of this is right around $50. So that's what we're going to get into today. We're going to be using the Victorinox Swiss Army Bantam. Did a review of this awesome knife. You can check out the card up top. Go check out that video. So we are going to go with our big blade here. It's an awesome Swiss Army. It only has 2 blades, 1 blade and 1 bottle opener, or can opener, however you want to look at it. So the Bantam. So let's get into this. Let's see. Oh. All right, so every box comes with a pamphlet. This one is Cozy Up. So that's the theme. So inside the pamphlet, we have a little contact us. We've got a list and description of all the items. Whoa. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items in this box. Each one is about each item. We have some tips that usually relate to the theme. We have a Nomadik challenge, which is good for 1 month. And then on the very back, we have brand discounts that usually correlate with brands that are in the box, and a link to the shop, which I'll have a link to Nomadik in the description below. You can get down there and check it out. So let's keep that handy in the event we need it. So let's just dive in. If you have been to my channel before and you missed it, I did a big beard trim. If you can't tell, that video is also up on my channel. So go look for it and check it out. So let's just grab something. IGNIK hand warmers. Always like hand warmers. As you can see, I'm in a t-shirt in January. We did have a good cold snap. So hand warmers are always awesome. I love to take hand warmers with me when I go hiking, just in case. They don't weigh a whole lot, but just in case that temperature drops a little lower than expected and I'm in my hammock. Oh, hey. Are you enjoying this video? If you are, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Make sure to hit subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, make sure you do that. So, let's see. What is this? We have Quick Survive fire starters, light any fire fast. 3 fire starters, burns up to 10 minutes and at over 750 degrees. Has a 30-year shelf life, 100% waterproof, and food safe. So we may have to, dive into that and test them bad boys out. So we've got our sticker. And what else do we have? I feel something big. What is this? Single serve coffee bags. So there's that. Coffee bags means it could be something big in here. Bottle Bright bottle cleaning tablets. So I think I've heard of these before. So you just put them in. It can go in a hydration bladder, in a stainless steel bottle, in a tumbler, anything like that, and it will clean. You add water to it and it dissolves and cleans. You rinse it out and it's all done. I've heard about these, but I've never had them, so we will definitely try those out. And leads us to, what is this? Rip Pack Rip Clean Go. What is this? Vanilla mint teeth cleaning powder. Okay, so this teeth cleaning powder gives you a crisp mint taste with a refreshing vanilla twist. 15 servings inside. 15 servings in this. That's tiny. So we're gonna have to read up on this. This thing is teeny tiny. can't even hold on to it. So you see that? So I don't know if I'm missing something. That's the only one we got. So there's that. We'll have to check it out. And then we have Minert leak-proof 12-ounce thermal mug. So you have a screwable top. I've seen these before. It's basically like a mini thermos. You unscrew the top, and you can drink out of that without having to take the big lid off, and that is all sealed up. I love this. I love these kind of travel mugs. I was just trying to take that off so you can see it, but it's got the brand on there. Never heard of this brand before, but I have seen cups like this. These are really awesome. I love spill-proof cups, whether it be for in the truck, whether it be for camping, whatever. You don't have to worry about knocking it over. No surface is ever level enough for a cup like this, but it doesn't matter because it doesn't leak. So that's awesome. We'll be checking this out as well as all this other stuff that we got in this month. So if you're interested in Nomadik, I highly suggest you get down and check out the link. Go check out Nomadik. You can purchase some boxes that are older. So if you see a video and you like the contents of it and you don't want to sign up for a subscription, you can get over there and maybe purchase that particular box. So I have a whole playlist of Nomadik unboxings. So get over and check those out. And I think that's all we've got for this video. So until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.